So what we're witnessing right now is actually a Shiba Inu and crypto market deepfake. Believe it or not, they are suppressing the market in a way that may lead some people to do things that they should not be doing right now. And there are two specific trends that point to exactly this that we need to watch closely. I've referenced them many times before. And until this changes, understand that the market has not changed into a bear market. We haven't flipped back to a sentiment of negativity. In fact, I would again try to stress that we are right here before times get very exciting. So if you guys are new or haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, hit that bell again. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So I've talked about this several times before that we basically needed this buying event in the crypto market. We needed something to stimulate activity. We needed something to create this activity in the market once again after we fell to a point of stagnancy. And look what has happened over the last 24 hours. This is being filmed at 6:25 a.m. Central Standard Time. We'll obviously see what the market looks like as US money wakes up. But you guys can see that volume has surged by 90% across the crypto market. Shiba Inu once again above $500 million in daily trading volume after being down at, what was it, like 170 million yesterday. Now I understand that obviously we're on a retracement. We're in line along with the rest of the market. Understand again that Shib is not doing anything different from all these other assets right now. Everything's kind of moving in conjunction. There's very heavy correlation right now. And again, that's because people were waiting for the market to tip one way or the other and then kind of pile on top. And right now, Shiba Inu is still at the time of filming this video around 40178, just trying to find its way for the day. And really, we just have to watch BTC here. If BTC does make a move back above 100K and close our daily candle above 100K and then get a little momentum heading into tomorrow, this may have been just, again, one of those big shakeouts across the crypto market. Again, I'm not going to say it's the final shakeout or anything like that, but maybe the final shakeout. But what's interesting here is, people will try to blame certain people for this happening. They'll try to blame whales. They'll try to blame, whatever it may be. But yet the trends haven't changed. Again, yesterday was a red candle day in terms of Shiba Inu, right? Another day of addition by whales. 378 billion Shiba Inu added. This again marks only 2 days over the last 22 days that whales have dumped. And why I'm continuing to say this is even in the times where the market is dropping and we're going on retracements, watch what these large entities are doing, because right now they're showing you that they are loving the discounts. They are gobbling them up left and right. And again, what is the on exchange trend doing? We're continuing to see this removal of supply from exchanges. So what you're seeing is, again, long-minded people buy and remove. Long-minded people buy and remove. Day after day after day after day. This has been a consistent trend even since Shiba Inu price was higher. All right. Now, this is going to fall on deaf ears. A lot of people are going to ignore this and say, oh, no, that's not the case. Well, just be patient. Watch what happens out of this trend, right? Again, this is where you typically see a lot of buying take place, a lot of people taking advantage of discount. I've seen a lot of the comments. Some people were specifically waiting for these levels. And guess what? We finally got here. This is a huge discount for Shiba Inu, and we'll obviously see what happens from here. But the interesting thing about this is not only is there potentially good news coming this week for the crypto market in the FOMC meeting and the Q4 GDP, right? Obviously, this pro crypto embrace here in the US. These are all very exciting things. What else is exciting is that Satoshi Kusama is actually expected to step down as Shiba Inu lead visionary, and they're finalizing the DAO, bring us into a full era of decentralization when it comes to the Shib ecosystem. Now, obviously, I don't talk much about the Shib ecosystem here on the channel anymore. I used to a lot, obviously, as things have kind of gone off path there and they started doing things different than what it was originally intended and built for in the first place. We've talked about it less and less, but now things are kind of coming back around again as we approach this era of full decentralization with the Shib ecosystem, as many of these projects are getting to their launch point, as burns are again on their way back up, or at least the amount of fees that are set aside for that this could be again a very exciting ecosystem boost for Shib. If you have all these different projects and an entire layer 2 chain that is built towards promoting Shiba Inu and boosting Shiba Inu optics, that is in fact a big deal. Now, I'm not going to say it's the end all be all. Do I think Shiba Inu needs this to stay relevant or surge to new highs or anything like that? No. but it would help, especially if the buy and burn function that is equipped in Shibarium does in fact lead to some significant levels. For example, we can see that these burn fees have again still been on the rise. 0.04 bone in this one block alone has been accumulated for Shiba Inu burns. Now, I've seen some people talk about burns in general and say that, you know, they haven't been burning. It's just sitting in a wall. Yeah, if you guys remember, it needs to get to $25,000 in order for these burns to be initiated. And right now, as of late, they have been quite low. They need to get to that point before this automatic burn function will in fact be triggered. So we're still kind of in the early phases there. I wish that this obviously would have been completed, 2 years ago, up and running and looking good, but it wasn't, right? So now basically all this possibility lies for this bull market cycle in terms of Shiba Inu. We still have major optics. There's major interest surrounding Shib. And although the charts may frankly look like crap, it's not fun when we have huge retracements. Understand that is great opportunities for new people to enter the market. We'll obviously have to wait and see what happens from here. But I appreciate you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below. Are you taking today to accumulate? Are you panicking? Are you sitting on your hands and doing nothing? But have a great day. Show your love below. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.